2.2, write down the coefficients of the following algebraic expressions. So the coefficient is the number that's being multiplied by the variable. Okay, so this is fairly easy to spot here. For the first one, my coefficient is 8. 8 is being multiplied by the variable a. In my second one, 2.2.2, the coefficient is -5. Okay, again, the number that's multiplied by the variable or variables. And 2.2.3, a lot of you wrote the answer here as, -r. You wrote your answer as -r to the power of 5. You wrote all kinds of other things. This is wrong, because both of those answers have variables in them, and coefficients are not variables. They don't contain variables. They are the number that's multiplied with the variable. So in 2.2.3, my coefficient is -1, because there's a 1 standing in front of the r, and algebraic language convention tells us that we don't write the 1, although it's there. So we actually have here it's -1 r to the power 5, which is just -r to the power 5. But my coefficient stays the 1. 2.3, simplify the following algebraic expressions. In the first one, we've got 9 times x, and we know again from convention that we don't have to write the multiplication sign. So 9 times x is simply just 9x. 2.3.2, 1 times a times b can simply be written as ab. Now a lot of you wrote 1ab, and I marked it wrong. Technically, what you've written is not incorrect, because it is 1 of AB, but for the sake of teaching you how to write properly, conventionally, according to algebraic convention, we should not write the 1. So this is wrong. We do not want to see the 1. The correct answer is simply just AB, and that's correct. 2.3.3, surprisingly, ironically, weirdly, a lot of you got 2.3.3 correct. You got this one right, even though you got this one wrong. Nevertheless, the answer to 2.3.3 is -18 mn. Now, here we can again apply, and not really have to, because it's straightforward and fairly basic. We can apply SNE, SNA, which of course means signs first. We will look at signs first. We will look then at the numbers being involved here, and then afterwards we will look at exponents. So if I follow that principle or that order of operations, if I look at signs first, my signs over here, I've got a negative being multiplied by everything else that has positives. So my overall answer will contain a negative sign. So that is signs taken care of. Then if I look at numbers next, the numbers that's involved here is 6 and 3. So 6 and 3 is being multiplied, so that is 18. And then my numbers are taken care of. Then if I look at exponents, my powers being involved here is m to the power of 1 and n to the power of 1. They are not the same base, so both of them will just remain m to the power 1 and n to the power 1. But of course, we don't write the 1, so it is just mn. So the answer to this one over here is this.